My dear viewers, now discuss group 14 elements, that is carbon family, based on ICSC class 11 most important 30 MCQ question answer. Group 14, that is the carbon family related to elements, that is carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Atomic number follow the pattern, that is 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay. Atomic number of carbon 6, adding 8, that is atomic number of silicon 14, adding 18, atomic number of germanium 32, adding 18, that is atomic number of tin 50, atomic number of lead adding 32, that is atomic number 82. Okay, they are characterized by having 4 electron in their outermost energy level. Okay, allowing them off from stable compounds with a +4 oxidation state and are located in the p block of the periodic table. Okay, with increasing atomic number, the metallic character of 3 elements generally increases. Okay, mainly carbon and silicon are nonmetals, while tin and lead are considered metal. Okay, now discuss the very important question answer, that is MCQ question answer. Okay, now question number 1, the ionization enthalpy and density increase in the group from top to bottom. This statement false due to the reason density increases with increase in atomic number due to the increase in mass per unit volume down the groove. The ionization enthalpy decreases from carbon to sternum. For plumbum, it is slightly higher than sternum. Okay, so the above statement is considered to be false. Next question, question number 2. Why hydrides of germanium are known as option B germanins? Okay, germanins. Due to explain, the hydrides of carbon are called hydrocarbon alkanes, that is related to single bond, alkenes related to double bond, or alkyne related to triple bond. Whereas the hydrides of silicon are called silicons. Okay, and the hydrides of germanium are called germanins. Okay, only the hydrides of stenins and plumbum are stent and plumbins. Okay, okay. The next question, question number 3. The group 14 element from dash hydrides, that is option C covalent. Due to the explain for this part related to covalent bond, the all the members of group 14 from covalent hydrides. Okay, their number and ease of formation decreases from the group along with their thermal stability, while their reducing character increases down the groove. Okay, next question, question number 4. Which of the following elements does not belong to the carbon family. Option A, that is aluminium. Due to explain the elements of carbon family are elements of group 14, that is carbon family. Okay, they are carbon, silicon, germanium, stenum, and plumbum. Their valence shell configuration is Ns2Np2 and their valency is 4. But aluminum belong to group 13, that is valence shell 3. Next question, question number 5. Which of the following group 14 element is a metal? That is option A, stenum. Due to explain, there are mainly 5 elements in carbon family. Okay, carbon, silicon, germanium, stenum, and plumbum. Okay, plumbum also called PB. The carbon and silicon are non-metal. Germanium is a metalloid, whereas stenum and plumbum are metal. It is a very important part for the carbon family. Okay, also very important MCQ, question number 5. Next question, question number 6. What is the color of silicon? Option D, light brown. Due to explain one of main general physical properties of group 14 elements in their color. The color of carbon is black, silicon is light brown, germanium is grayish, stenum is silver white, and the plumbum is also silvery white in color. It is also very important question. Color, color of the element in carbon family. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. What is the Phagon's rule about? Okay. Option C, oxidation state. Due to explain, the Phagon's rule is that the compounds in +2 oxidation state are ionic in nature and +4 oxidation state is covalent in nature. Therefore, the Phagon's rule is about oxidation state and their nature of the compounds. Okay, my dear viewers. Next question. Question number 8. Do carbon family elements show the multiple bonds? Option A, that is yes. That is related to double bond, single bond, triple bond. That is related to catenation property of the carbon. Yes, the due to explain carbon from pi that is p5 bonds with itself and with sulfur, nitrogen and oxygen, other elements show the negligible tendency of this type due to their larger size. Other elements from d pi p5 multiples bond. Okay, next question, question number 9. All the elements in group 14 exhibit tetravalency. This statement always true. Due to explain for this part, in the case of carbon, 406 kJ per mole of energy is required for promotion of 2s electron to 2p electron. The formation of two extra bond provides this energy. Okay, therefore we can say that all the elements exhibit tetravalency in group 14. So the above statement always true. Next question, question number 10. The catenation possible in carbon? Yes, always. Yes. Okay. Due to explain, catenation is the tendency of elements to form long chains with repeated unit of the same element. The greater the strength of element, the greater the strength of catenation. Okay, in the carbon family, the catenation strength is in the decreasing order of carbon, silicon, germanium, equivalent to stenum and plumbum. Okay, next question. Question number 11. Which of the following is true regarding the thermal stability of halides of carbon family? Option B. Okay, option B is the correct. Okay, due to explain, all the element of carbon family give tetrahedral and covalent hydrides of the type MX4. Okay, the thermal stability follow in the decreasing order of CX4 greater than SiX4, GeX4, SnX4, PbX4 for the elements of group 14. C for carbon, Si for silicon, Ge for germanium, Sn14, and that is stanium, Pb for plumbum. Okay, next question. Question number 12. Okay, that is, which of the following is called the beater of tin? Okay, that is option D. Option D means essential to 5H2O. Due to explain, the compound stannous chloride with 5 moles of water is called beater of tin. It is used as a mordant in drying part. Mordant in drying as it gives bright color. Okay, its chemical formula is given by SnCl25H2O and it is white crystalline solid. It is the white crystalline solid. Okay, clear? Next question. Question number 13. The drying ice is option A. Solid carbon dioxide. Solid carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, that is CO2, is the linear gas at ordinary temperature. Okay, but at a low temperatures, it is in solid forms, also known as dry ice or dry cold. Okay, it is used for strongly freeze substance at low temperature than normal water and it is used for cooling. Okay, clear? Next point. That is the next question, question number 14. Why many types of oxide do carbon family from? Option D. Option D means the carbon family can form two types of oxide, monoxides of the type MO like carbon monoxide and silicon monoxide which are all basic. It can also found the oxides of the type MO2 where carbon dioxide and silicon dioxide are acidic and the dioxide of germanium, silicon, plumbum are amphoteric. Amphoteric means related to basic and acid character included for this part. Okay. Next question. Question number 15. Which of the following oxidation states of group 14 element exhibit? That is the option C, +2 and +4. Due to explain for this part, the elements of carbon family exhibit +2 and +4 oxidation state. The compounds of phloem in +4, okay, oxidation state are powerful oxidizing agents since +2 oxidation state of plumbum is more stable due to inert field effect. Okay, next question. Question number 16. Graphite clips easily between the layers, thus it is option A soft and option B slippery. That is option C is the proper answer. Okay. Next question. The mixture of carbon monoxide, CO and hydrogen is known as option B synthesis gas and option C water gas. That is option D is the proper answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 18. Thermodynamically, the most stable form of carbon is option B, that is graphite. Okay, the graphite is thermodynamically the most stable form of carbon. Okay, next question, question number 19. Which of the following is used to make transistor and semiconductor device? Option A, ultra pure form of germanium. Option B, ultra pure form of silicon. That is option C is the right answer. Next question, question number 20. Quartz is extensively used as a pure zeolite, that is the pure electrolyte. Question number 20. Quartz is extensively used as a pure electric material. It contains option C, that is silicon. Okay, explain this question. Crystalline form of silicon, that is silica. Crystalline form of silica and at the high temperature can be converted into other crystalline forms. It is extensively used as a piezoelectric material. Okay. Next question, question number 21. Carbon has no tendency to form complex compound due to option C, non-ability of vacant d orbital. So the option C is the right answer. Okay, that is the absent of the d orbital. Question number 22. The tendency to behaves as a Lewis acid decreases as the size option A increases. Okay, due to the explain for this part, the tendency to behave as a Lewis acid decreases with the increase in the size on moving down the groove, in periodic table. Okay, question number 23. Percentage of lead in lead penicillin. Okay, that is 0. It made up of graphite. Next question, question number 24. Which of the following is or are allotrophics of carbon? That is diamond, graphite, fluorine, all of these. Option D, all of these. Diamond, graphite, and fluorine are the allotrophics of carbon. Okay. Next question, question number 25. All group 14 members, when heated in oxygen, form monoxide and dioxide both. That is option D is the right answer. Next question, question number 26. What does aluminium carbide produce on hydrolysis? This is the part for option D. Option D means methane, CH4. Okay, methane. On hydrolysis, aluminium carbide produce methane. That is the related to equation, chemical equation Al4C3 12H2O water form 4 molecule of aluminum hydroxide, 4 ALOH whole 3 and 3 molecule of methane, 3 CH4. Next question. Question number 27. What is the correct order of electron affinity among the carbon family? Option B is the correct answer. Okay. The correct order of electron affinity within the carbon family group 14, carbon greater than silicon, greater than germanium, greater than tin, greater than lead, Pb. Meaning carbon dioxide has the highest electron affinity in group 14, followed by silicon, germanium, tin, and then lead, Pb. Next question, question number 28. Okay. Arrange the following group 14 hydride in the correct order of their boiling point. Option A is the correct order. Down the groove, molecular mass increases, therefore boiling point also increases. Okay, clear? Next question, question number 29. Arrange the various states of carbon dioxide in correct order in their entropy. Okay, that is the option A is the right answer. Due to explain for this part, entropy is nothing but randomness. Randomness is maximum in gas, then in liquid, then in solid. Therefore, entropy is maximum in the gaseous state of carbon dioxide. Question number 30. What is the bond order of C2 molecule? Option B, that is 2. To take the video link how to bond order, how to calculate the bond order, please show the description box. Okay, my dear viewers, any query, please comment in box. To take the PDF form of this study material, please comment in box. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you.